Hi, we're Tim and Rachel Scheib, and we're standing in our flip house. We promised you we would bring you along on this journey, so we thought we'd show you what it looks like, completely gutted.
So right now it's all demoed. I think in here our plan is to replace the mantle, maybe remove this. We kind of don't know exactly what we're going to do with the brick. We could either paint it, we could distress it, or leave it the way it is. I'd like to see this whole wall in shiplap and then do some sort of a rustic mantle, and then the rest of the room just be painted and carpet. So we're right now standing in the kitchen. It was a kitchen and it still is going to be the kitchen. Only thing is we're expanding it. So we're gonna add some can lights. We're gonna keep the sink and the dishwasher here. This used to be the stove. That is gonna get moved to here. We're gonna continue cabinets along this entire wall. And then we're gonna have a nice big island with a cool fixture up above it that'll really set off the room. And I think, Rachel, you wanna add an accent wall?
I want to do something to that wall just to make it pretty in here and make it stand out. Not sure yet what that's going to be, but we'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out as we go.
All right, we're standing in what I'm going to refer to as the formal living room. We're going to take a couple walls out of this room to make it open up a little more as much as we can with this floor plan. And it's going to have the same flooring as what's in the kitchen and the foyer area. It should look really nice when it's done.
Some people do use it for a formal sitting room.
They do?
I don't formally sit in a sitting room, so I would say it's more like a player area, or if you have a big family and you want a nice big table, it would be a great spot for a formal.
I think that if I bought this house though, and I had this living room, I would start drinking tea, just because that's what I see happening.
Nice cup of tea. Mm-hmm. Maybe.
I would start drinking tea.
Well, maybe we'll just have to turn our front room into this and you can have tea more.
No, just this room.
Just this one? Mm-hmm. Oh, we're not buying this house. Well,
actually, we already did.
We did. Anyway, so upstairs, we're not going to go up there because they're currently mudding the ceiling and doing texture. So we are going to be renovating both bathrooms up there and then just making it a nice upstairs again. And that concludes what we're doing on the inside. It's 7 degrees outside, so we are not going outside.
Thank goodness.
Follow along. We'll be updating you very soon.
If you have any suggestions about what we should or maybe shouldn't be doing, make sure you write in the comments below.
Is it really loud? And in about 8 seconds, the guys that were playing I Hope You Dance are gonna walk in.
All right, we're standing in what I'm gonna call the formal living room, where you would sit with your British friends and have tea. Is that not a thing?
No, it's not a thing.
Thanks for watching. Last word.